Right, guys, let's try to tackle this question. Question 7. A kayak is a type of a boat. Figure 9, of which this is figure 9, shows a person sitting in a kayak. The person uses a paddle to make the kayak move, which means this is the person and is using this the paddle to move the kayak. Definitely, if you can see, the person is it's moving in this direction. So let's try to answer the questions. And the first question asks you about the definition of a center of mass. So it says that what is meant by center of mass. A lot of people get this incorrect most of the time. I don't know why, but it's easy to answer this question. It's much more easy. So what is the center of mass? A center of mass, it is the point at which the mass of an object may be thought to be concentrated. As you can see, this person sitting here in the kayak, and we see a certain point here. This point is labeled center of mass. It means that this point, it is, some people will say is a point of which the symmetry of or the symmetric line or the symmetric lines intersect. That's not really the definition of the center of mass. The definition of the center of mass, it is the point at which the mass of an object may be thought to be concentrated. Using the symmetry, you are not telling me about the definition of a center of mass. Rather, you tell me how to find the center of mass of an object. So here, I would just write the definition here. The center of mass of an object is the point. It's a point. Is the point at which the mass of an object may be thought to be concentrated. This is the definition of a center of mass. But just to make a recap, let's say you have an object, it's in a square shape, then you'll find a symmetry and of this shape. Therefore, the point at which these two lines intersect, therefore we have the center of mass. So it's the same as this one. Here is it, cutting this half, and this point is the center of mass. By telling me about the symmetry, you are not actually telling me the definition of the center of mass. Instead, you tell me how to find it. And definitely that's true, that's how you find it. But when you are asked to tell or to write down the definition of center of mass, what you need to do, you need to give this definition is an accepted definition. They accept this definition. If you see some mark schemes, even your specification says that accept this definition. Is the point at which the mass of an object may be thought to be concentrated. Then that's the definition of center of mass. Let's go to the next question.